Moving abroad is exciting. It's also one of the biggest financial and personal decisions you'll ever make. Most people spend months researching visas, apartments, and flights, but many forget to prepare the one thing that will determine whether their move is successful: their financial plan. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps you should take before moving abroad so you can feel more confident and avoid some of the most common and costly mistakes. Whether you're planning to move in 6 months or simply exploring the idea, these steps can help you prepare with greater clarity. Let's get started. Know your why. Before looking at costs, ask yourself one question. Why do I want to move abroad? Is it to lower cost of living, to retire comfortably, to experience another culture, to work remotely, or maybe you're simply ready for a change? There isn't a right or wrong answer, but your reason matters because it shapes every decision that follows. For example, some retiring may prioritize healthcare and stability. A digital nomad may focus on reliable internet and co-working spaces. A family may care about schools and safety. Knowing your why helps you choose the right destination instead of chasing someone else's dream. Understand your budget. This is where many people make a mistake. They search for videos asking, "Can I live in Thailand on $2,000 a month?" The better question is, what kind of lifestyle can I realistically afford? Your budget isn't just about rent. Think about housing, food, transportation, healthcare, insurance, phone service, entertainment, travel, emergency savings, unexpected expenses. No two budgets are exactly alike. The goal isn't to copy someone else's monthly expenses. It's to build a budget that fits your lifestyle. Even a simple spreadsheet can give you a much clearer picture than guessing. Build an emergency fund. Life doesn't always go according to plan. Flights get canceled. Apartments fall through. Medical issues happen. Family emergencies arise. Having emergency savings gives you options when the unexpected happens. While everyone's situation is different, many people feel more comfortable having several months of living expenses set aside before making a major international move. Think of it as buying a peace of mind. Moving abroad is exciting, but it's also full of unknowns. An emergency fund is one of the simplest ways to prepare for those unknowns and give yourself a more confident start. You hope you'll never need it, but if you do, you'll be glad it's there. If you're planning a move abroad and enjoy practical, no-hype advice about budgeting and preparing for the transition, consider subscribing. That's exactly what we cover here on the Abroad Budget. Research the essentials. Before moving abroad, spend time researching the basics. What visa options are available? How does healthcare work? What neighborhoods fit your lifestyle? How easy is transportation? What banking options will you use? Can you legally work if you plan to earn income? These questions aren't as exciting as looking at beaches or cafes, but they'll have a much bigger impact on your daily life. It's also worth learning about the cost of everyday living. Find out what groceries, utilities, internet, public transportation, and mobile phone plans typically cost. Research local customs and cultural expectations too, as understanding how people live and communicate can make settling in much easier. Spending a little extra time researching now can save you money, reduce stress, and help you feel more confident when you finally arrive. The more you understand before you arrive, the fewer surprises you'll encounter. test your new lifestyle. If possible, visit before you move permanently. Don't treat it like a vacation. Live as you expect to live. Shop for groceries. Check out the public transportation. Cook meals. Visit neighborhoods. Pay attention to everyday routines. Sometimes a place feels very different once the vacation ends and normal life begins. A short trial can teach you things that months of online research can't. Make a simple moving plan. Big goals become manageable when you break them into small steps. For example, research countries, estimate your budget, build savings, gather important documents, research visas, compare healthcare options, book your flight, arrange temporary accommodations, one step at a time. Preparing doesn't have to happen overnight. Progress is still progress. Helpful thoughts. Moving abroad isn't about finding the cheapest country. It's about creating a life that's financially sustainable and personally meaningful. The more prepared you are before you leave, the more confident you'll feel once you arrive. If you're planning a move to Thailand, I've created a free Thailand starter kit to help you begin your research. You'll find the link in the description below. If this video helps simplify the process, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to the Abroad Budget. On this channel, I share practical budgeting tips, relocation insights, and real-world advice to help you prepare for life abroad with confidence. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.